na naman yung kanyang...
Nigeria pero UK citizenship.
From UK, British Nigerian siya. So he's a
Mm.
missionary priest, but currently he's in London. So he's not able to join us. But he sent this message, and he was the one who sang in our Kumukutikutita. Speak some Tagalog. So here's his video message. Sorry kasi baluktot. I don't know how to, But anyway,
It is portrait kasi. Oo.
yeah. But I will play his message. Short lang naman to. Yan. He's sick pero nag-send pa rin siya ng message.
Maligayang Pasko sa lahat ng Click Me pamilya.
So Ate Rose?
Nasa UK ako.
Yeah.
May ubo at the moment. Kaya may ubo at saka may sipon. Sumubukan kanina kumakanta ng kikika. Ngunit hindi ako kaya. Gusto ko sabihin sa lahat sa Click Me pamilya, maligayang Pasko.
Ikaw na mag-share?
Yeah.
Okay.
Aren't you watching it now?
Yeah, nakashare na. Nakashare na, Mara. Yes.
Ng Panginoong Diyos. Sana masaya ang Pasko ninyo, ngunit mas lalong-lalo sana masaya ang buong buhay ninyo. Maligayang Pasko at maligayang buhay. Pagpapala tayo ng Panginoong Diyos. Amen.
Yes. Glass lang si Father.
Yeah, si Father talaga. Really made it a point. Galing.
Hindi ko nakita.
Hindi mo nakita, Mara.
Kaya mo na.
Ito, Mara.
Okay na po.
Weird. Kasi siguro yung tab.
Yeah. Pag naka-grid ka, di mo makikita yung presentation.
Oh, okay. So there, no? So that's from the Payatas. So Father Paul is our Payatas community liaison. Okay.